Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today another day we are back with another interesting thrilling vlog. So this vlog is very interesting. I hope you will like this vlog. So in this vlog it will be like I'll be showing you some great places. So actually it is like 5:28 in the evening and now we are going to a museum in Hubli. So we have a railway museum and we thought let's visit it and let's show you how our railway museum is there in Hubli. So in this journey, in this vlog, we have a part. She's my sister.
Hello.
So in the last vlog, you all saw my sister, and she's also a part of this vlog too. So she will also be leading you in this vlog. So after going, I will be showing you guys. We have reached to the railway museum and we are here. So this is the first entrance of the railway museum. So as we start, we go inside this way and I'll be showing you one by one. Here, this is the place where we have to buy the ticket and then we have to go. As we come here, you find some trains, and then this is the first bungalow of the whole museum, and this bungalow has all the stuff like the scriptures and all of that which is connected to the train. These all are the tools which are connected for the railway thing. So yeah, as we go in, you find this, and to my left side there is some case. I don't know, some people sit here, and to my right I have this huge machine. This is the second entry, and then there's another tool case. I don't know what is this actually. uh, yeah, then these are some good collections. The stamps of the railway, huge. Then heritage logos of the Indian Railway, and this complete great, these are all of the batches and the stamps of the railway. And as we enter, you find some great, the first section which has some, again, another part of the tools, some more tools over here. The whole bungalow is of something or the other which is connected to the railway section. I'll be just showing you guys. These are all the stamps. So 1921. I guess these are all the coins I get. Yeah. Here too. There's some trumpet. It's like the trumpet. I guess the horn, the beeping horn
Yeah.
for the train. And the lights. They have so bedroom in the olden days, and so these are like few houses joined together. They have made a huge bungalow, and they've made this first bungalow of thing. And this is, you get some boards and all over here. These, I guess they both are the great people of the railway force. Oh. And these are all the signals. They have given some thing over here. The signals which, take replace and all of that. Oh my god, they are the radios, the instant telephones. Those at those times, these were the most interesting part of this video, which is really my favorite in the whole museum. And this is the my favorite section. These are again the same thing, but I'm gonna go with the interesting stuff. This is a huge model of the whole railway thing of Hubli, and they have so detailedly given. And there's a model, running model of a train which is going. And this is my favorite at the whole museum. There are signals, and there is also a station here. So I just love this model. There are other people also who are there here. She's my sis. Come out of this bungalow, you find trees, and then there's the huge model of a great, this is a train, a model of the train, and this is some garden and area of that. So we are going back now. I'll be showing you the second bungalow of the train. So I hope you will be liking it. As we go, there is a model of a train, which is the running model of the train, and this goes like till there it goes and it comes back again. It goes till there, then again comes back as usual how it did. So it is a very great, showing you the second bungalow of this, and here you go. So here is the second bungalow. There was the first bungalow and here is the second one. So as we go here, we get the same garden section over here, and then some space over there to walk. Then we have other great models of the train, the engine or the something. Then there's way to the washroom. Then they've kept many things as a model piece because I really liked them. Guys, again we get the same pictures here. These are some of the models with the Royal Rail Museums. These are the models of the engines, few of them. And there are some black and white picture drawings that they have done here. They are done so beautifully. So here all they are the same thing, and the first station master board is there. As you go inside, here you get the central office type. You have other models over here which are really the same type of pieces. Many models. The dies, and I can't understand because I really don't know about it. There is this huge man. It's his model, and he's standing over here like a security guard. And there's some other model of the telephone. I guess this was the telephone of that age. And there are many monuments here too, and there are some people who are speaking and it annoys me a lot, and so don't mind guys, but I'm showing you guys that so that you can see and you will come to Hubli and see the museum. And if so, there are this pictographs and all of that. So she is my sister. So second time she's come in my vlog, and I'm so happy that she is with me. I feel so, actually they were there, so only I just made this vlog. And guys, I'm going now. Actually from this second bungalow we are going out. Came out, so this is the stuff. Actually I showed you the whole part of this thing, and afterwards I'll show you the thing. A huge model of the train, the 3 sections. One is the back part. So here there's nothing actually. There is like how the person with the flag stays here. So that is his section over here. And there's the road. And then as we move on, we will find another train. Second train which has some people. There is this design of the people, like they are sitting and they are going inside, they are watching some things. There are children going to school from train, and there are many other people. He's Punjab, and she is some Carnatic lady. Then this is the view outside. This is the third train guys, which has this person. And he looks cute. And there's this whole view you can see properly. So guys, now I will be showing you the most interesting part, and I just love that section. So here as we can walk. There's a passage where we can walk, we can sit and all of that. And there are 2 trains. This is one train and this is the other. So this train is a restaurant coach train. So there inside you find it like a restaurant, and this is like a theater coach. So you find the TV and all of that, and people can sit and see a movie. So that type of a train this is. You have the actors and actresses photos over here, and they have done those picturing. I can't show you inside because this is not yet opened. They have not opened the door, so we can't go inside. But don't mind. But these are the two trains where you find theater and coach thing. And then if you go inside, you find a small lounge area where we can sit fun, and we can even eat stuff. There is what?
Canteen.
There's a canteen over there where they cook stuff, and there we can sit here. Then you find a great passage in where you can click wonderful, lovely pictures here with great backgrounds. There you can see there's a sunflower background over there and some more backgrounds, but we did not take. And then there are more good backgrounds in where we can click our pictures. So they have done a very good architecture here. Some artwork on these trains. So you have good artworks. This side there is some like the forest, and this side there's like the waterfalls, like the Shimoga waterfalls, or a joke falls. Yeah, this is a joke falls. They have written here. This is a joke falls, and this is the first bungalow. That's the second bungalow which we saw. I thought I will be ending this vlog, but I just don't want to go. My sister would like to say something.
Hi guys, you all might be knowing me, Gloria Fernandez, and last vlog I was a bit nervous, but now I'm okay, and I enjoyed today spending time in this museum, and that's all.
So yeah, she also enjoyed with me, and I had a lot great fun with her. So she was with me as I was making this vlog, and it was a really great time spending in this time. This pandemic, coming to this place and spending a good time was a great thing, and this actually gave a peace of mind for me after so many days. And if you come to Hubli, if you visit, or if you are in Hubli, please do check this new one. It's a new museum and it's really great, so do check it out. Thought let's conclude this vlog only till here because the museum has already gone closed. So I thought let's conclude this vlog. So if you like this vlog, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon if you are new. And I will be back with more interesting videos and vlog the next video and the next vlog. So next video I will be back with more interesting things. So until then, bye bye.